I think the product and the services what we have created is keeping into the mind two sides of business. One is the SME, the small and medium enterprise, and the end consumer. So most of our products are being kept made for keeping in mind the SME requirement, especially from the business applications point of view. Whether it is a collaboration suite, or it is a disaster recovery, or it is a data backup, or it is CRM, or it is email, etc. So most of them are for the SME and the consumer. SME is the side which is facing most of the challenges in terms of acquiring business, because they are nowhere less than when they go to the market. The customer does not look them as just an SME. They are as equal as to any big companies. At the same time, SME has a lot of challenge in terms of coming to the level where the big size of company compete with them. So they have a lot of challenges in terms of having that kind of a capital to run their operations, or to make, or to come to that level where they can compete with the large organizations. So they have a lot of challenges to run to the business. Cloud is upbeating, and this is a reality today, because from many years we have been talking and convincing the people. People had issues on the security of data, but now I think by and large people have understood that the security is not a very major issue. They are more secure when they put their data in the cloud. And I mean, they have to see that who's the service provider. The service provider has to be very, very credible, and a company who has been into the business and who have completed the cycles of the business. So you have to see that the service partner or the service provider is very stable in the business. The cloud is going to be a reality. Oh, it is very much beneficial, because the SME is the biggest challenge is that, as I said earlier, they are, when they go and compete in the market, their challenge is nowhere less than any large enterprise. But at the same time, they do not have that kind of a resources what large enterprise has it. And with the help of cloud services or the cloud applications, they can really come to that level where they can compete with the large organization and get the contracts and the projects from their customers.